Hello everyone.
Hello there.
Welcome to
Another city cooking video.
Okay, so today we're gonna prepare this amazing orangeada.
And in Spanish, it's called a naranjada.
A naranjada. We had some in Mexico City. Oh my gosh, it was great. They were good. So we're trying to copy the recipe. Let's do it.
Join us.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and squeeze the juice out of these oranges as much as we can. So it's so fresh. Look at this. There we go.
Ooh, look how delicious that looks.
There we go. About a cup full of fresh squeezed orange juice. There we go. Okay, now we're going to add some sugar. Also, sweetener of your choice. Okay, that can be done. Just a little bit, just to liven up the sweetness on the OJ, the orange juice. There we go. I'm going to just put it on this little container here so it's easier to pour. As you can see, it's about a cup. And right here, we're adding some Tajín.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, this will give it some zesty.
Oh, delicious taste, Mom.
Yes.
Totally.
Yes. And some ice. Okay, we're ready.
All right.
Let's see.
There
Hopefully
we
I don't
go.
make a mess here. There we go.
There we go. Look at
Okay,
that.
there we
Wonderful.
go. Half and half. This is for two people.
Yes.
Of course, if you have more, just multiply the ingredients.
Yes.
And here we're adding some
Sparkling water.
sparkling carbonated water.
Yes.
Okay, it'll give it an amazing taste, my friends.
Yes.
Look at that. Look
Look
at
at
those
that.
bubbles.
And then you can add some water if needed.
Yes, drinking water. Okay, about a quarter cup or so.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an amazing taste, my friends.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
And you can see the Tajín right in there, making its way up. Look at that. The little bits and pieces of orange zesty taste.
That's awesome.
Okay, we're also going to add it to the orange. Orange and Tajín are delicious.
Oh, 100%.
Oh, my goodness. Okay.
And I think we are set.
Yes, let's enjoy
Let's
this.
try it.
It's a hot day today. All right.
How does it taste, Mom?
Delicious. We put a twist or sprinkles of Tajín. I recall that Tajín and orange taste amazingly, wonderfully great.
Oh, they sure do.
So, you know, it's 100+ degrees here in sunny Southern California.
Yep.
So something like this, nice, delicious, cooling, comes in handy on a day like today where it's, oh my gosh, it's so hot. The summer, but any time of the year. We were in Mexico City and it was raining. It was kind of a bit cold, I would say.
Like fall weather.
Yes, but we were still enjoying these naranjadas.
Yes. Oh, delicious.
Oh, delicious. Let us know. And also, subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
Let us know if you have reproduced any of the recipes that we have on our recipe book, which is videos. But we call it our recipe book. Yes. Okay, see you guys next time. And enjoy. Let us know if you made these naranjadas.
Salud.
Delicious. Salud. Pros. Salud.
See you guys next time. Here at City Cooking.